Hi, this is my bike check, because I've changed some stuff and whatever. I'm going to go from front to back, so I'll start with the frame. It's WETHEPOPLE 08 frame. It's a really nice frame, it holds up really well. I don't really do very big gaps and stuff. Well, I do big gaps, but I don't really do big drops. Shadow grips, I got them first used them on Saturday. Focus, you stupid camera. There you go. They were really horrible the first day because they'd sweat, but once I've worn them in, they feel really good. Animal barends in white. Bob Gerber bass. 4-piece, they're really nice for bar spins. Just feel good. MIRRACO stem in silver. United sticker FSA headset. God, really gnarly children. MIRRACO forks, painted black. The paint job is horrible. It's all chipping off from my slip-on snips. QUANDO hubs on the front and back. Front one's unsealed and the back one's semi-sealed. Doesn't make sense to me, to be honest. GT pegs on the front, animal pegs on the back. I got a stock MIRRACO axle. Bought off my old stock MIRRACO wheel because I bent this one. Tom White tyre, white wheels, front and back. Rails, not trails, there. That's just there. Primo pedals, Stricker PC pedals. They're really nice. I've had them for like 2-3 weeks now. Holding up really nice. Pins haven't worn down too bad. MIRRACO cranks, proper sprocket, KMC chain, whatever rims I've got, I'm not really sure, to be honest. I've said the pegs on the back, FBM hub guard over there, with people's seat with a salt post and a MIRRACO clamp to hold it all together. I think the rim, it's got a sticker, it's like, whatever that says, there, somewhere, yeah, that, it's alright, whatever, just keep it on. That's it, that's my bike check. Need to put on bracket, that's all I've obviously get. TESCO tubes, front and back. That's it. Hope you like it. It's sort of 26 to 26.5 pounds. It's alright, I'm used to it. I don't really care about weight that much. It used to be 30 pounds, but it's not that bad, it's alright, I guess. So yeah, my back hub's missing a pool, but it's still kind of loud, it's alright. I got bar spins whilst moving now, and I'll put a video up after this. So, see ya, and here's the bar spin.